Hello, today we will guide you through how to move chart in MetaTrader 5 app. To get started, open the MT5 app on your device. Once the app launches, give it a moment to fully load so you can clearly see the main navigation and the market interface. If you are already signed in, you should be taken straight to the app's main screen. The goal here is simply to get into the platform and prepare the chart area so you can interact with it easily. After the app is open, tap on Chart at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to the chart view, which is where price movements are displayed visually. The chart section is one of the most important areas in MetaTrader 5 because it allows you to monitor the market, review price action, and navigate through different points in time. If you do not immediately see the chart you want, that is fine. For this tutorial, the key thing is just to enter the chart screen so you can begin moving around within it. Once you are on the chart screen, tap and hold directly on the chart, then slide your finger to move it. This gesture allows you to scroll through the chart smoothly. As you drag, the chart will shift, letting you view earlier or later price activity depending on the direction you move. This is useful when you want to inspect past market behavior, check how price reacted at certain levels, or simply reposition the chart for a clearer view. When doing this, try to keep your finger pressed steadily on the screen before sliding. A quick tap may select something instead of moving the chart, so holding for a brief moment first can help. Then, slide in the direction you want to explore. If the movement feels too fast or too sensitive, use slower finger motions for more control. It can also help to make sure you are touching an open area of the chart rather than any icons or interface elements, since tapping on buttons may trigger other actions. If needed, repeat the tap, hold and slide motion a couple of times until it feels natural. With a little practice, moving around the chart becomes very easy and gives you much better control over what part of the market you are viewing. And that's it. You've now learned how to move a chart in the MetaTrader 5 app.